Everyone, I just wanted to drop a quick note and invite everyone to the Mad Mystic Tour. I'm having a live in-person event with Josiah Brandt and the School of Imagination. We are going on a tour through Manhattan, and this VIP bus tour is a deep dive into the mystic history of this beautiful city. Here's a snapshot of the tour stops. The port where Neville likely arrived in New York City and dreamt of going to Barbados. Places where Neville and Abdullah worked, lived, and played. Fascinating key locations from the New Thought movement, which served as a perfect backdrop to Neville's radical message about our personal power. My personal insights into Neville's work and role in the history of the movement. This is my first in-person event since I started the channel. I'm really looking forward to meeting you at this fantastic celebration, but we have a few tickets left, and I wanted to leave this video for those who are still thinking about it. Please join me October 1st, Saturday, the Mad Mystic Tour. There's a meetup afterwards, but it is booked unless you can get a ticket on the tour. I would love to meet you. It's a moving seminar. It's not just a sightseeing tour. We're going to be teaching about New Thought authors, the history of New Thought, Neville Goddard. It's going to be a wonderful experience. I'll be able to answer your questions. We can go deep on Neville Goddard. There's so much amazing stuff for us to learn and share. I really, really hope to meet you there. There's a few tickets left. Get them before they sell out.